Right now what you see is the cleaning solution, which is actually a blue color, circulating through. Here's light blue. This darker color, green, is picking up mold, bacteria, just dirt in the lines left over from the yeast and all the grunge that gets built up in beer lines. It'll get lighter as it goes through, cleaning the line, and then we will let it recirculate for 15 minutes once everything is cleared out. You see this line's getting darker now, picking up all the, again, yeast and mold and stuff that's in the lines. Final line, which rinses down into a bucket, will start to get dark here. There's no beer in the system right now. We flush with water first. That way no chemical ever comes in contact with the beer. Not that it would matter at this stage of the game, since it's all going in a bucket and down a drain anyway. See, dark. See the lines is getting lighter as it's cleaning. So it still has a little bit of green to it, but this one's very dark. Once it starts to lighten up, I'm going to run another few seconds here. We will stick it in the bucket with the other clean chemical. And allow that to recirculate through the system. When this is done, we will rinse with water, 15 minutes as well. I'm not going to keep you on here to show you that. But here's recirculating draft beer system, long draw.